Yeah. Not so sure about music, but looks good. I use the most amount of green color I could use in the thumbnail. Weak. Tana, Ron. Ron is in the chat. Something is happening, guys. Something is happening. If Ron is in the chat, something is happening. Ethereum is up 6%. Damn. What's up, man? What's up? Ethereum going crazy, guys. Ethereum going crazy. We know it's time doing the move. Na tebe sam čekao. I ja sam na tebe čekao. Lunch is ready. But it is a bit slow still. Nah, look at it, man. Look at it. It is gonna lead the way. Ethereum is gonna lead the way, guys. Alt season 2. Salute. Salute myself. Sup, Ross. Rostein Army. Hi, bro. Sagar Kate. Let's go. Let's go. Mladen is in the chat. Nice. XRP went critical last night. Yeah, XRP went critical. 11.3% up. Bouncing. Doing nice, nice. Above the 200 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame up here. Nice. Our waves trade right now. Look how nicely these moving averages are right now kicking in. Bam. Hi guys, how you doing? There's one thing I want to check out. No, I gotta put, you know. There we go, 35. Nice. I think this is fine. I think this is going to be good. Okay, let's double check up here. Yeah, this is better. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I don't think you guys heard the music, so I was like, hey man, let's put some music on, you know, make it loud and clear. 35, that's nice. How's PNL going? PNL is going good, guys. PNL is going good, man. PNL is going good right now. 67% up, but it can go more, guys. It can go more. So we're not giving up just yet on this trade. 68%, nice. So, you know, this is what we aim on. I posted yesterday triangle on XRP before breakout. Did you saw that? Yeah, I did saw that, man. Very nice. Nice triangle as well. Are we in a trade? We are in a trade, so there will be no new trades until we close the trade. But just maybe, if this explodes towards the upside, we might close the trade eventually. And tonight there will be a new one. It just a little move will come down again. One Aleswa is non-believer, man. One Aleswa is non-believer. This not plan. SOS. Damio trade is going still nice. I went to Sheldon trade and got wrecked. Market makers that was watching. I know that's what people are saying, but you know, Sheldon trades, all Sheldon trades were in profit, but people did not take profit. They were waiting to, you know, hit some kind of lower targets, and you know, it kind of happens. It kind of happens. Of course, it will explode. I'm a believer. I'm trading SNX, the volatile stuff, but it's still bear market. No, the bear market is done. This is start of the bull market. Bear market is done, guys. This is the start of the bull market. This is the accumulation phase. This is the very first baby steps of the greatest bull market in history. I'm looking at Harmony 1 after the hack. I'm seeing good up. Let's check out Harmony 1. I haven't seen what's happening there. Harmony 1. 0.14%. Nah, it looks disgusting down here though. But it might be just low enough that it's gonna pump. The right idea, but took the short too early and he didn't take profits, was in green. Yeah, I think everybody was in green, so he did make nice short, but it was a scalp short. You know, I didn't believe that it could go all the way down to his take profit targets. You know, maybe that is it. Sol is pumping. Sol is 7.7%. Yeah, Sol is going up. Bullish engulfing on the daily up here, very nicely, continuation towards the upside. This thing just had the green candles up here, just exploded through this up here. 40.29 was some kind of resistance up here. What kind of resistance was that? It was not up here, it was maybe, yeah, it was probably this 200 moving average when we put that, you know, but right now it is all the way down there. So, you know, depends on when we drew the, you know, the lines. But I think this was the, you know, the fourth level was the 200 moving average. Yeah, but guys, this thing is still at the bottom, guys. This still is still at the bottom because of the hack, you know, it got crushed down to the bottom again. But Harmony is not dead, guys. Harmony is not dead. Harmony is not dead, guys. Harmony is not dead. But it does look ugly, though. It does look very ugly. I don't know why. This looks very ugly, though. Let's look at it, you know. I mean, it's still not, you know, it's still not, you know, all the way down here, you know, like some other coins. But, you know, it does look a little bit ugly, though. You know, if this isn't the bottom, I don't know what is bottom, you know. Right now it could be like some kind of, you know, this was double top up here, then it went lower. Right now came back to, you know, this resistance up here, top, give or take, it's up there somewhere. Do you guys see anything on this over this thing over here? I don't see anything that's I don't see anything special. Yeah, nice. This line is very nice. So let's use this line to create channels. I think it should go something like this. Yeah, these are the channels. And there is the resistance up here, right? So it needs to break this at least up here, you know. Maybe it's going to land this and then break it up here. Yeah, it does look uglier than a lot of other coins, though. It does look uglier than a lot of coins. Bitcoin 0.9% up, pumping. So the reason we are doing this stream, guys, the reason we are doing this stream right now is because Bitcoin finally decided to break this trend up here. You can see it better on the 4 hourly, maybe up here. You can see right now we are, you know, bullish engulfing candle and right back up there. So it looks nice, looks very nice. So we are watching the just chart, you know, talking about charts, whatever. It does look very nice. ETH 2000, yeah, ETH 2000. ETH also breaking towards the upside. ETH also looking, so Ethereum and Bitcoin, both of them together right now, you know, pumping towards the upside. It looks very nice. I got wrecked yesterday. I was believing going short. It happens. Hail the king. You cannot call me a trader yet, man. I've been trading for 2 weeks. So, you know, it takes time. Challange short work, but the target was too low. Yeah, it might be that. You know, I felt for one more dump. No chance to FOMO at the bottom. But at least I've been doing baby dollar cost averaging. Yeah. Dollar cost averaging at the bottom is okay, guys. Dollar cost averaging at the bottom is okay. Once you have this kind of capitulation, this guy's kind of move towards downside, you know. People are still saying, you know, spreading the FUD that we are going to go down 84%. People are still spreading, you know, we got to go down to liquidate people at 14, 13, 10K, you know. People are still saying that, you know, for some this or that reason, we still gotta dump down again one more time, you know. So, you know, I'm guessing we'll never see 70K again. Don't miss Matic. Yo, Banter fam, after giving the market some time to print, market started to turn bullish to medium time frame. Sheldon tweets. Sheldon tweeting, guys. We gotta read the Sheldon tweets. Sheldon the sniper. Yo, Banter fam, after giving the market some time to print, market starting turning bullish medium time frame. Bitcoin breaking a key trend. I've opened a small long on DOT and ADA. Then in few days will be nice retest buys. So he opened an ADA and DOT long position over here. He opened at the entry. He likes to, you know, he likes to trade these breakouts, guys. He likes to trade breakouts, and I'm very scared to trade breakouts, because if this for whatever reason breaks on the downside, you're kind of done. Of course, we are going lower. Look at the state of economy. Yeah, that's what people are saying. How high can it go? People think that, you know, just because things are bad and this, you know, FUD is all around us, that we have to go down. No, we go down when there is no FUD and, you know, everybody's happy. Then when we drop. Yes, we will go down. 21.6. Maybe wait for retest. Breakouts can always be fakey. Yeah, I'm a little bit scared about, you know, trading breakouts. Very scared. He's posting more tweets, guys. He's posting more tweets. He says, yesterday stop loss triggered, analysis was invalidated, and now we trade with what the market gives us. Protecting risk was fantastic yesterday and many lessons learned. Remember to not hold on to the past and always look at how to improve the next one. Great times ahead. Yeah, great times ahead, man. Good one. I think, you know, it's a lot easier to make money when stuff is going up. Yo, late after. Sheldon wanted to bring in guest traders on his show. Would you be interested? I'm going to spam your name. You're the only one who went long while he was short. Yes, spam my name, man. I will do a show with Sheldon. If Sheldon, like, the guy has like 10k subs, man. Sorry, like 10k live, you know, followers. Every trade. You think I don't want that kind of exposure to the moons, to the 8 ball? Come on. Can I get your thoughts on LRC, please? Total 2 or 3 charts. Buy the rumor of the recession, sell the news of the recession. Yeah, something like that. There was, I cannot find the video, guys, but there was a video by Alessio Restani. You can go and find it for me. You know, I cannot find it. Alessio Restani. And it was very, you know, eye-opening video from this guy. He has a lot of videos, but he had one video where he explained how the economy and the market are not the same. And it was very eye-opening because, you know, when people are very bearish and, you know, everything looks bad, you know, economy is going down, the markets can actually pump. And when markets are falling down, economy can actually be booming, like really booming, right? So, you know, world economy and the markets are not actually the same and they're not correlated. You know, it was very kind of eye-opening video. And lately I've been into this, you know, reading about stock markets, you know, about market general, about technical analysis, trying to get deeper into the you know, nitty-gritty bits of technical analysis. And what I actually understood is that, you know, market makers and you know, traders and these guys, they always look ahead and they always price in what's gonna come next, right? So they're not looking what's happening right now, or recession at doors, there might be recession and stuff like that. They're looking what, you know, what are the next steps that will be taken by the, you know, FDA, not FDA, Fed, and, you know, with the takes and, you know, other types of stuff in the market that might, you know, affect them, you know, economy. So they're always looking ahead. They're always looking ahead, right? And that kind of, you know, just because something is happening right now, you know, you might think like, yeah, but they're gonna keep on increasing. Yeah, they're gonna keep on increasing, but how long? How long? Just when, like, when interest rates were coming down and they were decreasing, but people are, oh man, it's so low, you know, everybody was like, you know, super, you know, nice, but, you know, these guys already knew, like, you know, it's already negative. Like, how much more negative can you get with interest rate? What's gonna happen? Like, they're gonna stay down at 0 forever? No, it's gonna go up, and when they go up, it's gonna, you know, all hell is gonna break loose, and they, you know, could kind of figure it out, you know, could kind of figure it out. 2.25 billion in BTC option expiring couple of hours. I'm so decided on where we're going. Wave's gone mad. Not yet. Wave's not gone mad yet. It's soon, but not yet. I mean, I think it's getting a really nice, you know, curvature towards the upside, but it's not gone mad yet. And I'm wondering when it's gonna go mad, because I want it to go mad. So I'm guessing, let's go to daily time frame up here. There is, you know, this 50 moving average, and there is definitely some kind of line up here, right? Up here, maybe some kind of line over here that is very, very nice. And once this line is broken, I think it's gonna go mad. Maybe something like this up here, give or take. Maybe something like this. So I think this the 50 moving average up here, and once this 50 moving average over here is broken, it also corresponds kind of nicely with this level up here. I think we just might, you know, up here at the top up here, you know, I think we might explode towards the upside. So I think we might slowly go up here maybe, and then, you know, explode towards the upside. So that's what I'm looking for right now. That's what I'm looking for, because you can see these stops up here. Maybe it's gonna be a little bit higher up here. Let's try just using the wicks up here. Maybe you're already there. Let's see up here on the 4-hourly time frame. Let's turn off the moving averages for a second. I mean, it could be this one as well, but, you know, then we can use this one down here. It's not actually hitting anything. Then this one up here, and that's actually broken. But if you use the wick, and I don't like using this wick up here, but, you know, maybe, just maybe, just maybe, just maybe. Up here, and then, you know, we explode towards the upside. Target 20 at least. Yeah, 20 at least. Nah, I'm not betting. I'm right now just betting on this bull flare up here to some kind of 8 level up here. You know, I'm not betting, you know, anything higher than that right now. No bet on that. You know, around eight bucks up here, you know, this can actually, you know, explode up there. That's gonna be 40%. So it's a huge trade. It's a huge trade right now. We entered down here at the bottom. We didn't take this breakout up here. We didn't take breakout. I'm very, very careful about not taking breakouts. I don't know. I hate breakouts. You know, breakout shows that you don't have the vision of what's gonna come. I think you have to, you know, understand how stuff works, you know, and then still a major low to come in the coming months, I'm thinking. It might be that. You might be, Michael, you might be right. There might be another low in the coming months, because this just started, unfortunately. Or fortunately, I don't know how we want to look at it. This just started over here. So, you know, this is just daily time frame, you know. So we are just doing this up here. I mean, look here. There's just this part over here. There's still this to come, you know, at least until we get some kind of pattern up here, some kind of big pattern, you know, some kind of big moves, you know. I don't think it is gonna go down there, but, you know, whatever. Some kind of big moves are to come, right? But right now it does look very bullish. Like I explained today, Bitcoin daily, you know, bullish engulfing candle above the 10 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame. Right now we got a bullish engulfing candle right now. Over here, bullish engulfing candle right back up here above the resistance as well, and that's why we are, you know, pulled back a little bit and just pumped right up there. So Bitcoin's a little bit slower than other coins, of course. You know, it might take a little bit of time, but it does look nice and good. So all in all, it is well. Everything is well. Maybe some kind of expanding channel, guys. Maybe some kind of expanding channel up here. And then down. Nah, we're not gonna go down. We're gonna break this expanding channel. I think if this channel up here expands, you know, breaks up towards the upside up here, that's gonna be above this level over here, give or take. That level over there. So I think if we go up here and then explode towards the upside up here above this resistance line, I think we might have a nice fast move towards the upside. Tradecraft survival. In your opinion, do you go by the thesis the bear market started last April or November? By my thesis, I think the bear market started in the April up here, up here in April. I think this is where the bear market started. I think this is just a reaction through the bear market, but I think the bear market started here, over here. Because we already had a huge capitulation up here, in the start. This is just, another, move to get everybody, back in the game, and then, continuation towards downside. But I think the bear market started here. I think, the party was over. The party was over here, and I know a lot of rich guys were selling up here like crazy. So, they weren't selling up here. You can see this was the sell-off phase. This was this, distribution phase of the market. So I've been, entire this part up here is the bear market. This is the capitulation phase, and right now the bear market in its entirety is actually done, the way I see it. And what's left right now is accumulation phase, and accumulation phase is the very first Very first start of the bull market. Very first phase of start, you know, don't know, could be a bull trap maybe. Could be, we don't know. We are hoping for the best though. We're still heading lower. This is the relief rally everyone is talking about. It might be. The inverse head and shoulder is playing out. We'll see if it keeps going. Yeah. Great job. Proud of you. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. So you're gonna see how this actually works out, you know. But this inverse head and shoulders, you know, that's the big question right now. It's is the head and shoulders good? Is it good enough to pump the price? So this inverse head and shoulders up here, it's very nice. It's very nice, and the target for this thing up here, it's very high actually. It is very high, and as you can see right now, this inverse head and shoulders is right now breaking, and these targets are pretty, you know, pretty standardized. They usually go to, you know, to the level that we you know, should expect. So this is some kind of distance up here, the distance up here. So target up here right now is some kind of you know, 25, let's say 26k. Some kind of targets is at around 26k. But of course, if you watch Mladen charts, then the target is around 23k up here, give or take. There is a channel down here. There is a channel over here. So if you look at this channel up here, you know, and how far we can actually get up there, it's gonna be like 23. But on the other hand, if you actually break through the channel, you look like this. If you actually break through the channel, you can see here that the second channel, because this channel can actually just be broken, right? So if you go all the way up there, it's gonna be 26. But what's up, Captain? But this gotta, you know, explode, you know, one candle right up. So I'm not quite sure about that, because all these other levels, you know, can be higher. Also 200 moving average up here on the 4 hourly. No shielding another channel, but do look at it. Which one? Which one? Those on the US Fed members. You can shield the channel, no problem, man. We got only like 150 people watching, so it's no biggie. It's no biggie, man. These interactive stream funny trades live are my new favorite watch. Nice. But right now there will be no live trading because we are in a trade, so we are just looking what's happening, you know, just talking with you guys to see what you are looking at. Right now trade is 63% profit, but we are hoping it can go higher, so you know, there is that. There is always that. 4 hourly is still, you know, just open up here. 1 hourly closing 23 minutes up here. There's a level up here that we need to break as well. There's maybe some kind of trend line up here. Who knows? Take a look at BTC dominance, so daily, weekly. Okay, let's check out BTC dominance. Long time since we looked at BTC dominance up here. Let's just screen everything. Let's go to the daily time frame up here on BTC dominance. BTC dominance is falling through the roof right now over here. So Bitcoin goes sideways, you know, altcoins are picking up. So this means that, you know, Bitcoin has technically just been going sideways, but what this means over here is that altcoins are actually going more priced. So they are kind of, you know, doing this while Bitcoin is doing this maybe, right? So this is very good for altcoins right now, that they are picking up more than Bitcoin. But overall, let's go to the weekly time frame. What we see over here is that Bitcoin actually managed to, you know, break the trend up here. Some kind of trend, you know, give or take. You know, it's been going up, down, you know, winning. Depending, you know, this has to be looked at, you know, if Bitcoin is going down or if Bitcoin is going up or is Bitcoin going sideways, and then, you know, understand what altcoins are doing. But you know, up here, Bitcoin has been just going a little bit, you know, this is weekly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This Bitcoin has been going down, and altcoins have been actually been crashing down. And you can see here that the last 2 weeks, Bitcoin has actually been going sideways, while the altcoins have been actually going towards upside. This is actually very good for altcoins, but we cannot say that, you know, this is not gonna, you know, just bounce up here and go towards upside. I'm a little bit unsure if you can actually look at the trends up here and then say where the breakout is gonna happen or not. I'm a little bit unsure, because this is just dominance, you know, some coins versus other coins. We're still talking about the situation, and that's the best part, TLA. Trader Dank. Next level TA. Fibonacci. I think it's Fibonacci. Just see this. No, this preview, no, there is no Fibonacci up here. No moving averages. I don't know what open, weekly open, yearly open. Where is Bitcoin going? Yeah, Fibonacci. Fibonacci, no moving averages. I don't know what he's doing, what he's analyzing, but you know. No patterns. Just support and resistance lines. Literally zero patterns. I don't know, maybe. We're still talking about it. Yeah. Retest dominance up. Maybe. How's the 8-ball trade going? 8-ball trade is going well, guys. We are still in the trade, nothing's changed. It's up 60-70% right now, so I'm gonna see how that plays out. Question is, are we gonna take profit or not? Bitcoin is right now bouncing back down. It's gonna get us wrecked. Nah, Bitcoin is doing good. I said like only way that we can get wrecked is if we fall below 20.3. If you watch today's Bitcoin daily, this is the level. Only way this is gonna get invalidated is we right now go right back down over down here. That's gonna be very bad. Who thinks Cardano will flip Ethereum next bull cycle? I don't think it will flip Ethereum, but it will do very well, I think. He's good. Okay. No fibs, nothing. But yeah, I saw fibs on his screen. This moon kicked in late, option expiring on the June 30, which will also be new moon, so I expect to go back to 20k. We'll see. The moon is, you know, kinda, you know, no Fibonacci. 1 inch looking good. The Baumeister, 1 inch looking good. Let's see what is 1 inch, how it's actually looking. 0.42. Yeah, it is looking nice. On the daily time frame, it did manage to climb above the 20 moving average up here. Right now it's going slowly towards the upside up here. It's not just flaying towards the upside, just slowly building towards the upside up here. Going kind of sideways. More bullish than bearish, I would say. But this trend down here was actually broken up here. And go up here, right now climbing up here. So the question is when we will get the next move towards the upside. You know, how can I put alert on Binance? No, I don't know how you can put alert on Binance. But why would you want to put alert on Binance? Just, you know, do your T on TradingView and then just go on Binance, click buy and sell. It's not FIP, it's ranges. No, he definitely had Fibonacci on the screen when I actually looked at it. 175, 5025, 030. Oh, this, I don't know. Okay, maybe it's the ranges, but it's not. These are not Fibonacci levels. 0.75, 1. Okay, they're not Fibonacci levels. I don't know what he's on, because he doesn't have any kind of lines or anything, like only horizontal lines. Then he draws on, and then he draws on screen, you know, no patterns. He needs patterns. Sure, maybe, I don't know. So we'll see. Press the bell on Binance. Oh, I know I'll generally bleed against Bitcoin in bear, but Ethereum is currently increasing higher than Bitcoin on hourly, daily and weekly. Can't reconcile. Don't know about advice to buy more bits in bear. I don't know, guys. Like, if you got millions to spare, you know, Bitcoin is, you know, not financial advice or anything, right? But you know, Ethereum will pump. If Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum will pump more. So you know, and neither Ethereum nor Bitcoin is going away. So like, you know already, if they're gonna pump, both are gonna pump, so why are you buying the one that's gonna pump less? TradingView only allows one alert unless you paid member. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. This may just be a relief bounce. Everyone's waiting for all short term to 12-hour indication are topping out. but daily has a ways to go still. Maybe. What's your explanation? I'm learning a lot from him. Okay, man, I'll check him out another time. I just measured possible 23,000 for BTC before coming back down. Yeah, some people are calling for 23 as well. If you're using trading with alerts without paid, use the range setting to get price alerts at multiple levels. Ah, smart. So we dump? Nah, I don't think we dump. Not yet. Nothing is broken yet. When something gets broken, that's when we dump. But nothing is broken yet, like... We're still fine. You know, there is nothing that's broken yet, like no trend is broken, no nothing like this up here, like we haven't broken the trend line or anything like that. You know, you cannot say that, you know, we are dumping just because we are having a pullback or whatever, like, right? Doesn't matter, you know, don't know how you're gonna draw this, but you know, something like this maybe, I don't know. This is like, we still, you know, we're still climbing, right? There is no trend being broken, everything is going nice and dandy. Should maybe be down there or something like here, I don't know. Maybe something like this, maybe something like down there. Give or take, maybe all the way down here. Nah, it's not that. Maybe something like this, right? So I don't think any kind of trend has been broken yet, just yet. Yeah, you know. So I think we, you know, you cannot say that we are gonna dump. Like when something gets broken, like over here, then that's when you can actually talk about, okay, we're going down. But you know, when you are moving towards upside, you know, you need to, you know, look at some kind of, you know, levels. Right now, you know, the most important resistance level is 22k up here. Let's see up here. We got a 22.5 up here, something like that. On the bottom side was 19, 18. I think you should look at these levels up here. These are weekly ranges. 19. But the bottom is 18, 120. Yeah. Also down here 20. Let's go to the daily time frame up here. I mean, I would say the first resistance are at 21, 100 up here. But if you break this, you know, that, you know, this is right now the most important resistance on the way up. 21.3, 21.4, give or take. After that is this one up here. That's on the daily time frame. The bottom down there. And then comes everything else, right? Let's go to the daily time frame up here. Also, we got a, you know, 20 moving average that's going to come down a little bit until we get there. So, you know, some kind of 23 level might be in play. It all depends on how much we pump, guys. It all depends on how much we pump. We are not going up that fast, so it's a slow move towards the upside, but we're going to see. But it's good, you know. It's going slowly, but, you know, it's good. It's good. Let's see on the 4 hour. Yeah, I think we still broke this. I don't know. Every way you draw this, like it looks like it's broken. Like over here, maybe this one didn't break. Maybe this one didn't break, but you know, depends on how you use these wicks up here, of course. Maybe didn't break just yet, right? This one looks like it broke. This one doesn't look like it broke. Let's go daily time frame. I think daily time frame has some very nice lines up here. This one, and these two are not getting hit. Maybe it's these three up here. This looks like it's breaking right now. But on Bybit chart, this is a Q-coin chart. On Bybit chart, this was actually very nice. Yeah, Bybit chart has a very nice line. And on Bybit chart, right now, we are actually technically breaking. If you look at a 4 hourly time frame, we are actually above it, right? So, you know, it depends a little bit on which chart you look at as well. Looking to pull trigger on Harmony, looking at 0024 as an entry, 10x will be my trade for the day. Ooh, yeah, but just be careful when it comes to Harmony, because the chart does look a little bit bearish. It looks like some kind of bottom, and everything pumps. You know, it might pump as well, but please, do research on this hex stuff. You know, how bad is it for Harmony and stuff like that? It might just be FUD, of course. It just might be FUD. I'm definitely cashing out in November. I'm not a weekend in here. How's your wave trade going, brother? Doing well, like 60% up or something like that. It was up to 80%. We're still keeping it live, so I think, you know, this needs to break towards upside. Everything needs to explode, and then we're gonna take the profits. Hopefully. What does Abel say about the trade? Sweet, happy for that. Yeah, I'm happy as well, but I'm gonna be happier when I press, take profit button. So, we're gonna wait for that. This can actually go to 0 because, our stop loss is at open, so, we are not quite there yet, but it does look nice. It does look nice. So there is no big reason to actually, close the trade just yet. For this to be invalidated, for this move towards upside to be invalidated, the way I see it, we need to dump down big time down here, maybe even below these levels down here towards downside, and that's gonna, but it might be first level up here, then fail to get back up there again, fail to get up there, then then we can, then I'll probably just cut it, cut it loose and take profits. But if it just dumps down here, it can definitely do it. It can just like straight down, dump it below everything. But if that, if it dumps below these moving averages and closes down here, that's gonna be bad. That's gonna be bad, and I don't want that to happen. But if it just dumps here, big fast move towards downside, we're gonna get stopped out. There is that. But it does look nice. This 20 moving average is going like this. 10 moving average, 50, 200 moving average. This 50 moving average right now is gonna turn towards upside. Everything is working nicely. Right now, these 3 moving averages right here below us, supporting us. This 200 moving average coming up there as well. So we got some kind of support that's gonna push us towards the upside. Not bullish flag. Ask Abel if breakout is legit. Okay, let's ask Abel. Good day, you wonderful 8. We mortals have an important question for you. Do you believe that this breakout is a breakout on Bitcoin is a fake out? Concentrate and ask again. Fake out. Most likely. Ooh! Burn! Most likely. That's most likely, like, it's not 100%, guys. It's not 100%, but it's most likely. But maybe 8 Ball is tired. 8 Ball had a very hard night last night. It it had to do a lot of calculation. It had to consolidate with a lot of sources to give us the right way forward. So we're not gonna take too seriously right now. It just it's a little bit tired. It just had a little bit we need to give it a day off. You cannot push 8 Ball. You cannot push 8 Ball. So there is that. This was actually a terrible time for a stream because nothing is happening. We did have a breakout towards upside and stuff. It's nice. Anyways, guys, again, shilling the stuff. If you want to join the squad, we can first shield the squad, guys. If you are trading, guys, if you are a trader, if you want to trade, if you know what you're doing. There is a World Series of Trading competition on Bybit, guys. World Series of Trading. This starts in 2 days and 21 hours. So you got 2 days to join our squad, guys. We got a squad race. We got a squad up here. Where is it? Up there somewhere. There. We got 80 members right now. Squad. TF Fans Club Squad, Technical Analysis Fans Club Squad. Now, only if you got 500 bucks to lose, because you're probably gonna lose that money. You know, it's competition, it's a lot of motion already, it's trading, you know, it's high leverage and stuff like that. So you might, you know, you're probably gonna lose the money. So only if you got like $500 to throw away, to spare, you're welcome to join our TF Fans Club. The link is down below. It's not Bybit affiliate link, you know, I'm not shilling links and stuff like that. It's just a link to join this squad. So if you want to join the squad, you can join the squad, and you can also join our TF Fans Club Telegram squad group, you know, so we can share the charts and stuff like that as well in the team. So you're welcome to do that, guys. You're welcome to do that if you want that. Pulling a little back up here on waves. Bitcoin also pulling a little back. No problem whatsoever. Got everybody to think it's a fake out. Boy, maybe 8 ball is correct. You know, I think 8 ball is tired, but you never know. There we go, big wick towards the upside. Got everybody, you know, hooked up on the upside. You know, everybody went long. So what's happening right now, you know, all of these breakout traders right now are like, oh man, we're going down, down, down. They close. And once they close, we're gonna pump. Anyways, guys, hit the like button on the way out. I think, you know, this stream is done right now. Not much is happening, but, you know, if something starts happening, you know, we will, you know, pop the stream up again. And there's that, right? But you know, but we can't do trade because we are already in a trade right now. So we're just waiting for this, you know, go over it. Either get stopped out or something, right? And then we do, you know, just pop the live stream next time. Thanks for stopping by, guys. See you around another time, okay? Have a good day. Bye-bye. We should probably just play the stuff that we always play at the end of the video, right? The stuff that we always play at the end of the video. This stuff up here. There we go. And with that, guys, enjoy your day. Bye-bye.